What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Clear Cryptos Education Channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Hey, if you guys have ever played or listened or ever heard of a sport called basketball or track and field or basically anything that you need a uniform for, then you've probably heard of a little company called Nike. One of the largest companies, of course, in the stock market today in regards to retail. That being said, it would be very interesting if they had intentions to further the crypto industry and maybe enter into the world of NFTs. Lucky for you, that's exactly what today's story is going to be on. And me and Justin will be breaking down our thoughts and breaking down this article. So Justin, take us away.
Yeah, so Nike NFT sales surpassed $1 million despite tech delays and a couple issues as well. So the dot swoosh is what the virtual sneakers were called. And even though they faced some delays, Nike has called the release a success after they sold $1 million. So the Nike swoosh Web3 platform has released its first NFT sneaker collection, surpassing 1 million in sales. The sale of the highly anticipated Nightly Virtual Creations began on May 15th, nearly a week after it was previously announced to start on May 8th. The first round of sales, called First Access, was open exclusively for select users who were airdrop posters that served as their early entry ticket. In total, Nike says there were 106,453 posters distributed to its earlier dot swoosh community members. The general access sale began on May 24th, 2 weeks after the proposed sale date of May 10th, and it was aimed to offload the remaining NFTs of the total 106,453. As of Thursday afternoon, over 66,000 NFTs have been sold, and each NFT was priced at $19.82 as a tribute to the year of the Air Force One sneakers first release. Now, that's not too bad of a price point, honestly. I mean, people can snag up a lot. So that raked in $1.3 million so far for Nike. And while the initial numbers look promising, the launch delayed several times due to technical issues and traffic issues, according to Nike, leaving excited buyers frustrated by the cumbersome process. Now, there's way more to this, but that's basically the gist of what happened with the Nike NFTs. I mean, overall, it seems like a success if they were able to sell 1.3 million and at a very reasonable price point, especially for Nike. Because if you know anything about Nikes, Jordans, all the umbrella of Nike, you're looking at anywhere between about 70 to roughly like $500 for a pair of shoes. So 1982 for a pair of NFTs ain't bad at all. So Hobbs, what do you think?
I think this is another step into these companies kind of putting their toes, no pun intended, but they're kind of dipping their toes into the Web3 slash, cryptocurrency space, right? I think this is just a positive sign. The fact that they were able to make $1 million off selling something for 20 bucks that they have in their arsenal anyway. I think bringing retail companies such as Nike on board in Web3 is just going to bring more attention and see and show them that there's a lot of things revenue wise that they can actually do in the Web3 slash crypto space. So I'd love to know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get aware when we make videos. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is T. Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. That guy over there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.